Look at this view, guys. Look at that. It was definitely worth to wake up this early. I saw a little spot yesterday where to put my camera on. Let's see what's the best spot to make very sweet time lapse. I'm gonna position my camera here or here. What do you think? Something like that, or something a bit cleaner like this? Sometimes you don't really need a tripod. You just have to watch the environment around you and see if you can use a much more stable spot, like this shelf, for example. So we don't need these. All right, this job is done. I feel very asleep, but there's no time to sleep. We gotta go to a place called Valle della Luna, which means Moon Valley, basically. It's a wonderful place. It's one of the best places here around. Okay, I want to be completely honest with you. I fell asleep. I couldn't help going back to sleep for a couple of hours. Let's say I took my time. Now it's 15 past 2 and I'm finally going to Moon Valley! Okay guys, I've just parked my car here and 1 minute ago I helped a lady. Oh my gosh, she was so cute. She couldn't get out of this park, so she asked for some help. I'm not the best driver ever, but I managed to help her. I feel good. She was very grateful with me, and that's a good feeling. My daily good action. That's really good. There will be a long walk. It's going to be 30-40 minutes walking. When everyone else is on the beach enjoying the sun, wearing a swimsuit, I am here walking towards that big rock. But that's the beauty, you know. You got this wonderful sea here and I'm going up on a mountain. It's completely wrong. It's a massive contradiction. That's what I like. That's effort. You know, it's 6th of July, probably the worst day. It's so hot, guys. Every single step I'm sweating more and more, but I don't care. That's effort. A very cool thing about this place is that right now I am in between of a massive noise because cars are going super fast. Oh my god, cars are so noisy here. Stop it! I'm literally in between two seas. I've got one sea here and one sea behind me. Woohoo! Listen to this. It means it's really, really hot. So guys, I really hope you appreciate the effort I'm putting in this video. I mean, video makers, that's what we are for. Putting all our effort in order to make the best shot, the best video. Even if it's just for a couple of seconds, 10 seconds, that's what we are here for. That's where we're going. I will be surrounded, completely surrounded by those rocks. I'm getting so excited. Oh my god, this is gonna be amazing. Okay, so far so good. 35 degrees Celsius. I can feel a massive heat on my skin. Luckily, I brought my sun cream with me, so I'm very well protected. Still, I don't know, 20-30 minutes to go. In normal conditions, this wouldn't be a massive distance to cover, but this sun, guys, oh my god. This is starting to get really narrow. I'm not afraid of snakes, but you know, in a place like this, you can encounter some dangerous ones. I think I'm going to search for a wood stick and tap it on the ground. Moon, look at this. This place is so cool. I'm so pumped on being here. So much looking forward to set my drone and make probably the best shot I've ever made, because this is Jurassic Park. I came here. It feels like being inside a Flintstones movie. Look at that. It's wonderful. Check this out, guys. This rock, it is so well cut. Ancient Romans used to come here to cut marble and bring it back to Rome. Their technique was to create little holes in which they put little pieces of wood, then water these pieces of wood and wait for the nature to do its job. No way. Oh my god. Hello. Okay, that's the beauty of this place. Whenever you think that you've seen everything, then nature surprises you with this beautiful turtle. Hello, beautiful. How are you? Hello. Hello, my friend. Hello. Look at that. So wonderful. Hello, my friend. Say hi. Hello, beautiful. I'll tell you what, I've never seen a turtle in its own environment. This is so beautiful. I'm so grateful of this moment. Hello, baby. Hello, my friend. You're beautiful. You know what? Can you see that rock? Well, I'm gonna climb that rock. Yes! Ooh, that's pretty high. I have said that, so I guess I have to do it now. I am committed. I am definitely committed. But you know what? I have met a turtle and I was not expecting it at all. So I want to take this as a sign to give me the braveness, the courage to climb this mountain behind me. Mountain. It's not a mountain. It's a big rock. But it feels like a mountain to me. It will be hard, it will be easy. I'll tell you in an hour or so. Oh.